ब्रो मैं क्या बोलता हूँ,
क्या बोल रहे हो?
हाईरॉक्स खेलते हैं ना.
हाईरॉक्स
हाँ दिल्ली हो रहा है.
दिल्ली में हो रहा है.
खेलेगा.
चलो. नमस्कार मित्रों, what is happening? Beautiful fucking day, man. Chinmay, what's happening?
We are going to Delhi actually. क्या कर रहे हैं ब्रो?
I think there's this new thing called as Hyrox.
And we decided we wanted to do something about it. And that is 5 a.m. culture, I see.
5 a.m. culture.
The man doesn't wake up at that time,
Bro, I sleep at 5 a.m. bro. It is sleep at 5 a.m.
So he just took the 5 a.m. culture in the wrong sense. He thought we are supposed to sleep at 5 a.m.
Namaskar.
Hyrox it is.
Hyrox Kings, bro.
One fine day, I was just reached out to this guy and I'm like, भाई Hyrox खेलेगा क्या?
हाँ भाई. I mean, it shouldn't be that difficult, right?
With prepping for like what, a week?
Oh, difficult. A week? No, you can do it.
So we are on to our pre Hyrox prep. अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं, हम लोग कुछ स्मूदी बना रहे हैं. And we're straight gonna go to this gym called My Fitness Garage Headquarters, owned by Prashant Sharma and Riya Kataria. So I'm gonna show you who they are. Yeah, I mean diet वाइट तो यार कल हमने क्या खाया ब्रो?
हमने चिकन टिक्का दाल राइस.
Okay, chicken tikka dal rice, not bad, but let's not talk about what we ate after. Yeah, कुछ नहीं ऐसे ही. They had some protein chips and stuff. But this is the guy who's motivated us to bring the easy. पर हम जो खेलने जा रहे हैं उसमें उसकी जैसी फिजिक नहीं बनेगी. So we are here for our Hyrox prep. Mr. Derek, what's up? क्या वर्कआउट कर रहे हैं हम आज?
भाई अभी since we are already in Delhi, sign up कर लिया Hyrox के लिए. Prep भी तो करना है भाई, एक ही दिन बाकी है.
वो भी है. And this is where we are training. Let's see how the gym looks like. I've heard good things about this place. Gym तो यार बढ़िया बना है. So this is the very same gym where Mr. Prashant and Riya Kataria they train. It basically belongs to them. And I can see they've made a beautiful setup. ऐसे gyms ना usually community driven होते हैं. Correct me if I'm wrong, bro.
Yeah, sure.
So
Like-minded
the better the community you have, like-minded people, that's where everybody comes down, trains. People are serious about what they want to do. And as I can see, यहाँ पर already कुछ simulation बनाया हुआ है, which is the Hyrox simulation I can see. And this is an arm wrap, which is basically your muscle building sessions. Basically कल हमारा competition है, तो हम अभी first time साथ में train कर रहे हैं. But I'm pretty confident about the fact that we will do it at least sub 1.5, 1.3 hours, right?
Yeah,
1.5 घंटे में तो कर लेंगे भाई.
कर देंगे.
डेरिक में हरियाणवी जाग गया है. डेरिक इज हरियाणवी ना. Yeah, I have to run now. Another kilometer. Finally done with our simulation. Okay, it's 1 a.m. right now, and we came here around 11. We started to work out around 11:15. So give or take 1 hour 45 minutes.
2 hours.
2 hours, and this is what we have managed to burn. Closer to 1,000 calories. So good session. A lot of help from the people around here. So first and foremost, it's one of the best gyms that I have trained at for any kind of CrossFit or endurance simulation. और एक और चीज़ है, जो मुझे बहुत टाइम से मैंने देखा, जब से मैंने जिम एंटर किया है, वो है दिस इज समथिंग दैट यू ओनली गेट इन हरियाणा और दिल्ली. दिस बादाम रगड़ा, this right here. Derek has never tried this. Yes, sir.
It's like a badam shake or something.
It's actually nice. Wow. It's basically almond milk. How was your simulation experience?
Oh, it was pretty intense, bro. Especially the running part. Running part I'm not used to at all.
So you have to join Metro Motion. Morning, good morning, people. So आज है 24th of July 2026 and आज है हमारा
High Rocks. What's up? Namaskar. High Rocks Day.
It is our High Rocks Day, and that is basically our stack for supplements, protein, and Derek is getting ready. He's gonna get some fresh cut. So basically हमारा 3:30 बजे का slot है for the event. So Derek और मैं doubles खेल रहे हैं in an open category. Let's see what happens. Pretty excited for this as it's both of our first event. But यार जो hype है इस event का, it's worth it because it makes you want to play the next one again. So until 1 o'clock हम हमारा last meal करेंगे. उसके बाद कुछ नहीं खाना है, कुछ नहीं, basically सिर्फ electrolytes पीना है and stuff. And then 3:30 we get to our stations and start the race. Pretty excited for this. Let's see क्या होता है. I'm going to show you guys what exactly happens there, of course. But yeah, anticipation is too high. I don't know what to expect. But at the same time, मजा तो आने वाला है. Fucking excited, man. So fucking excited. Yeah, I guess हमारे पैर में जाएगा. There's a chip right behind this, which will track. So basically we have to tie it to our feet. Derek, अगर मैं पीछे रह जाऊँ तो मेरा हाथ पकड़ ले, bro.
The same goes for you, man.
Guy who's gonna basically record us, he's right there. So we're gonna be able to show you guys the experience of the entire High Rocks. This is our very first High Rocks and this feels so unreal. The vibe is too good. And personally, this is my opinion. If there is a High Rocks happening in your city, of course play it. It's okay. But make sure you travel to another city to play High Rocks because that's a different vibe altogether. What do you say?
Yeah, man, because people come from all around the country, all around the world as well.
Yeah, a lot of international athletes as well. So
It's a different
feels nice.
experience.
Finally, after the entire session, Derek and me, we managed to finish this.
It was a mad
around
fucking session, bro.
around 2 hours
2 hours and 9 minutes.
and spent around 40k shopping.
I didn't spend so much, bro.
Well, I spent 40k shopping. Derek spent around 5k shopping. I mean, still, but you know, got a lot of stuff. However, now I'm looking for burgers and milkshakes. We need food. We need food.
We need to replenish.
But look at the fucking glow. The glow after the High Rocks.
हाँ ना चमक
First High Rocks.
बैठ का ही नहीं रहे भैया.